If you have been dreaming of creating your own translator that is available via an API or as an application, this video is made for you. Hello, welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how to create a really good translator as fast as possible. So let's get started. We will be using a tool I've presented before on this channel. It's called Hugging Face. And here you can find a lot of pre-trained model that will help you to create an application as fast as possible. So let's get started by just looking for translations models. I think this model is the best one, the most downloaded, so we'll get it. And concerning the code, we'll use a tool called Google Collab. So collab.google.research.com. And here we'll create a new notebook. Let's call it translation. Good. In order to use this model, we need to copy this part. It is actually how to download this model on your computer. As we are working on Google Colab, I don't think it's installed. So if I run this, it will give me an error. Yeah. So we need to install it, and to install that, you need to do this pip install transformers. If you're on your local computer, you need to do the same thing in your terminal. So everything is satisfied now. Now, if you run this, it will work this time. It's actually downloading this small model in your computer, at least in the Google Colab. Okay, as that is done, we need to create a new cell here. Let's clear this and this. So we have, okay, perfect. Let's say we will kind of have a conversation with boot, and we'll just type a text, and this boot will translate the text while true text. Okay, and let's call this input is equal to tokenizer. And here we need to write the first part we are seeing here. So we just pass the input that user wanted to translate. Let's consider we want to translate English to French, for example. So let's type translate English to French. And we pass the input, the text. And we need to specify the return tensor. We can use PyTorch format or TensorFlow format. We use the PyTorch format here. Output is actually the model that generate. Execute a lot of tasks with this T5 model. So let's just pass the input. Okay, and print the output tokenizer dot decode output of 0, and skip special tokens is equal to true. Okay, so let's execute this. How are you? Oh, there's an error. Ah, yes, we need to get the input ID here. Oh, input ID. So let's do it again. properties not defined. But this is how put you. Oh. Yeah, typo again. Yes. How are you? Comment êtes-vous? It's not really perfect, but it's working at least. I am fine. How to dance? Comment danser? That's good. I don't know. Let's take a really long sentence like, this is my channel. Please subscribe. C'est mon canal, s'abonner. It's not perfect, but it's good although. So this was a really short tutorial about how to create your own translation module in Python. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any comment, leave it in the comment section. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And see you in the next videos.